In this video, I want to share with you the distance from Lekki Pride Phase III to Lekki Pride Phase II. Where you are seeing now is the Lekki Pride Phase III. We are moving down to Lekki Pride Phase II. This estate is Eri Montego. After Eri Montego, the next estate is Lekki Pride Phase II. Welcome to my channel. My name is Isong. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Let me give you more info. I've done a couple of videos on this Lekki Pride Phase II. What we have in this Lekki Pride Phase II is houses, and I've done video on this. Check my YouTube channel, you'll see the video I did on Lekki Pride Phase II. But this video is for the Lekki Pride Phase III, which is what I'm bringing to you. To own a 300 square meter in this Lekki Pride Phase III is 27 million naira. A 400 square meter is selling for 36 million naira. A 500 square meter is currently selling for 47 million naira. This means is you can still get this estate Lekki Pride Phase III at this current price from the 31st of August 2022. The price will increase. I will want you to get a land in this estate to start your building project. Buy it now, and I know you'll be happy that you did. See, my name is Isong. I always give you the best. When it comes to real estate in Lagos, the person to talk to is Isong. Amaka, you in Ghana. Amaka, you in Cameroon. Amaka, you in US. You in Canada. I'm talking to you. Let me help you out to get this property right in Lekki Pride Estate Phase III. Give me a call. Let me help you out. What you need to do is just put an initial deposit of 5 million naira, and you can spread the payment in 12 months. Just give me a call. Let me help you out. And note, from the 31st of August 2022, the price will increase. And let me tell you what the price will be if you do not take action this time. What it means is the price will increase from 27 million naira for the 300 square meter to 30 million naira. The 400 square meter from 36 million naira to 40 million naira. Then the 500 square meter from 47 million naira to 50 million naira. Why we want to spend extra when you can actually get it at this affordable price? Some of the features you will enjoy in this estate is daycare center, gym center and game center. The street light will be solar powered street light, good drainage system, security, 24-hour security, and there will be estate management facility and a lot of features which you could enjoy. Close to this estate is Ajah police station, the Godfrey Moto, the Abraham Adesanya roundabout, the Eti-Osa Maternal Center, and a lot more. My name is Isong. What I do is to help you get property that have the potential of appreciating, and this property I'm giving to you is one of its kind. Amaka, you in UK, in Canada, in US, in Germany, I'm talking to you, listening to me. Don't come back to Nigeria without owning a piece of land, and contact Isong. Let me help you out. This is the person you talk to when you want to buy property in Lagos, Nigeria. The trusted realtor you talk to. Call me. My name is Isong.